So, good morning, children. Today we'll continue chapter number 10, reaching the age of adolescence. Already, children, we had learnt about the adolescence and puberty. Adolescence means when a body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity, and that starts from at the age of 11 or 12 and remain till the age of 19. One more definition we did about puberty, the onset of sexual maturity. When the child becomes sexually mature, that is known as the stage of puberty. After that, we started to discuss the changes at puberty. First change, we studied about the increase in height. There is a sudden increase in height during this age. That is during between the age of 12 to 19 or 13 to 19, you can say. So first we did, there is a sudden change or sometime arms and legs or the hands, they becomes out of proportionate. Means it looks awkward, but no need to worry. That becomes, the body becomes proportionate very soon. So no need to worry about. Next is next change which we see at the age of puberty is change in body shape. So during this, what happens? There is a shape change in the body shape during the, even in the girls and even in the boys. You must have noticed even, or even else can notice the shape changes in the body shape, change in the body shape in the boys and in the girls. Next is you must have noticed about the voice change. So voice changes. What happens to the voice? Uh, you must have seen that the voice of boys that cracks because at puberty the voice or voice box or the larynx begins to grow. Boys develop large voice boxes, and that growing voice box in the boys can be seen in the throat as a protruding part of the throat. So in the figure we can see on the next page, this is a protruding part which is known as the Adam's apple. Kindly underline it, Adam's apple. So this is the voice box that becomes larger, that can be seen in boys. It's not like that, it's not growing in the girls. Even that Adam's apple is present in girls, but that is no, that's not visible because of its small size. Okay. In girls, the larynx hardly visible because of its small size. And the girls have a high pitch voice, kindly underline, and the boys have deep voice. And we can say the voice is harsh. थोड़ी rough सी voice हो जाती है और the deep voice is there, and this state may remain for a few weeks or few days. After that the voice becomes normal, so no need to worry about it. Soon the voice is normal. Is that clear? So this is the Adam's apple. You may have seen in some of the boys when they uh, comes in the age of adolescence or when they start growing. So Bujo is
फिर मिली
surprised that many of the
कहाँ मिली
classmates
हैं
has
कहाँ मिली
many of the classmates has a harsh voice. Now he is able to understand that why it happens. I hope it is it clear this? The voice box or the larynx, there is a change in the voice box. Next is there is an increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. So during this age, during puberty, what happens? The secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands means oil glands increases. You must have seen many of the young people have acne or pimples on their face as this time because of the increased in the secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous glands. Is it clear? So on the face, pimples or acne increases. Uh, So next change is development of sex organs. So what happens? Already we have read in chapter number 9 that sex organs in the humans start developing. At puberty, male sex organs like sperms that start releasing from the testes and penis develop completely. The testes also start producing sperms, and even in girls, the ovaries start producing the eggs. So means at this stage, the development of sex organs also takes place. One more change takes place, that is reaching the age of reaching mental, intellectual, and emotional maturity. It is a period of a change. Children, this is a period of a change. Even the way of thinking changes. It looks that a person becomes mentally, intellectually, and emotionally mature. Most of the adolescent, they becomes independent and self-conscious. You must have seen they start taking care of them. कैसे लग रहा हूँ, कैसे कपड़े पहनने हैं, means self consciousness. इससे पहले they were not taking care of. जो मम्मा ने पहना दिया, जो पापा ने पहना लिया, that was good. But now at this stage, they become self conscious, self dependent. Okay, self dependent or independent. They don't want the help of anyone's. Next, uh, they tend to spend considerable time in thinking, means mentally they becomes mature. And when the brain has a children, at this age the brain has a greatest capacity of learning. At this age, if you want to learn any of the thing, any music, any you want to go for the sports field or in the learning, if you whatever you want to do, you can do, because the brain has maximum tendency for learning. Sometimes an adolescent may feel insecure while trying to adjust in the changes in the body and mind. But no need to worry. There is no need to feel insecure, because the changes are the natural part of the growing. So soon the child become mature, means in three of the ways we can take. Mentally it becomes mature, intellectually, and emotionally. So you must have seen your elder brother, sister, or even the changes will be taking place in yours. So no need to worry. Sometimes what happens, there is a child can't set a balance between the mind and body. So body changes are there. Even the mind get diverted very easily, because the friends, your friends, आपको लगता है कि जो आपके friends हैं, they are the best one. They are the best. They think best for you. But children, never do this mistake. Okay, I agree that your friends are with you. Go with friends, listen to them, talk to them, but take your elders' advice, elder brother, sister, or your parents, because they will never show you the wrong path. Because your friends, you like the company of your friends. I think this happens. Everyone like the company of the friends. Does it happen or not? It happens, children. Do you like to spend time with your friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so it happens. और अगर आपके फ्रेंड ने कुछ बोल दिया तो आपको वो बहुत जल्दी समझ आएगा एज कम्पेयर टू द एल्डर वन. सो it's okay, each and you can't go for your friends because they are passing through the same age. उसको भी इतनी समझ है जितनी आपको समझ है. ठीक है. So they may drag to the wrong company. So at this stage you have to take care of it, that you should not move to the wrong company. You have to stay and stay interacted with your parents and elders, because now mentally, intellectually, emotionally you are matured. So I hope these all are the characteristics which changes, or the changes which takes place at the puberty. If any of the change is not clear to you, you can ask to me. Can you recap what changes we had discussed from the beginning? What was the first change? Kindly raise your hand. What was the first change that we discussed? Yes, Ananya?
Increase in height.
Increase in height. Second is
Maturity in voice.
maturity in
Ma'am, change in body.
change in body shape. After that, voice becomes, there is a change in the voice box. Then, yes, Akshita, Ananya Kahara, tell the other changes that we had discussed.
Ma'am, increase activity of sweet and sebaceous gland.
Increased in the sweat and sebaceous glands. So that also increases.
Development of sex organs.
Yes,
Ma'am,
development of
the
the sex.
greatest capacity of learning.
Greatest capacity of learning, mentally, or emotionally or intellectually.
Ma'am,
That child becomes
independent thinking.
mature, independent. He becomes, and emotionally also he tries to understand each and everything. So emotionally he also get connected with each one of. So these are the characteristics that we had discussed at the age of puberty. So next is secondary sexual characteristics. What is here secondary sexual characteristics? What does we mean about it? So Akshita, kindly read it.
You have learned in chapter 9 that testes and ovaries are the reproductive organs. They produce the gametes, that is sperm and ova. In girls, breasts begin to develop at puberty and boys begin to grow facial hair, that is mustache and beard. As these features help to disguise the male
Distinguish.
from
Helps to
distinguish
distinguish the male from the female. That are called.
the secondary sexual character.
So children, kindly underline this. So if the definition comes, secondary sexual characters. So what can you write? The features which helps to distinguish between male from a female, that are known as secondary sexual characteristics. So on the basis of the sex, we can differentiate between the girls and between the boys, or male or female. Rest, all the things are same. I must say, two eyes, hair, face, each and everything. So where is the difference? कौन से base पे हम male and female को distinguish कर सकते हैं? That is on the base of their sex organs. Okay. Next is, both Buju and Paheli wish to know what uh, initiates changes at the puberty. So what is the reason? Now the question arises, we have already discussed the changes at puberty. The question is, what happens during this age in our body that changes, due to which the changes takes place? ऐसा इस एज पे क्या होता है that the changes takes place in our body? So that reason we are going to study in the next paragraph. So Pari Agarwal, if you are comfortable, you can read.
The changes which occur
Loudly,
at
a small
adolescence.
bit loudly.
The changes which occur at adolescence are controlled by hormones. Hormones are chemical substances. These are secretions from endocrine glands for endocrine system. The main hormone or testosterone begins to be released by the testes at the onset of puberty. This occurs changes in boys about which you have just learned. For example, the growth of facial hair. Once puberty is reached in girls, ovaries begin to produce the female hormone or estrogen, which makes the breast develop. Milk secreting glands or mammary glands develop inside the breast. The production of these hormones is under the control of another hormone secreted from an endocrine gland called
Pituitary
pituitary
gland.
gland.
Children, this paragraph is very, very important. I must say you have to understand each and every line of this paragraph. So first line is the changes which occur. Now the question was there, what type of changes occur during this age? What is the reason? So during this age, what happens? The hormones are secreted. Hormones are secreted by in our body. And what are that hormones? Hormones actually are the chemical substances. These are secreted from the endocrine gland. Kindly underline, it's very, very important. Any of the question can be there. Reason, I think you have got hormones And hormones, what are these? These are the chemical substances. And who is going to secrete it? Endocrine glands. Endocrine glands has both hormones, male hormones as well as a female hormone. Children, the question may be there in 1 mark. Male hormone. What is the main name of the male hormone? Testosterone. Testosterone. And female hormone is estrogen. Kindly underline, it's very, very important. Due to which this changes in the boys takes place. I hope I am clear with it. Females hormone is estrogen, which makes a breast develop, and milk secreting glands or mammary glands start develop into the breast. So kindly underline this. And the production of these hormones is controlled by another hormone. अब जितने भी ये हार्मोन्स हैं, लाइक टेस्टोस्टेरोन है, हमारा एस्ट्रोजन है, these all are controlled by the endocrine gland. But एक हमारे पास master gland है, but that is named as a pituitary gland. It controls the function of all the hormones. Kindly underline, or you can frame one extra question over here. Children, frame extra question. Why pituitary gland is known as a master gland? Kindly write down. From here, you can tick the answer. The production of these hormones is under the control of another hormone secreted by the endocrine gland is called the pituitary gland. So you may frame one extra question over here. Which gland is known as master gland and why? Kindly mark it better. Children, switch on your cameras. Which gland is known as master gland and why? Kindly write down. So what can be the answer for it? Which gland?
Pituitary gland.
Pituitary gland is a master gland, and it controls the, why it is known as a master gland? Because it controls the hormone secreted from the endocrine gland. So kindly mark the answer or write down the answer yourself. Master gland इसको क्यों कहते हैं? Because it controls all the hormones secreted from a endocrine gland. So till here, and rest we'll discuss the role of hormones in tomorrow's class.